Hello students, very good morning to all of you. This is your English teacher Mr. Devesh Singh from LPM Public School. Today in this video students, we are going to read the new chapter Future Perfect Tense. Students, in the last two videos, we also read perfect tense and in detail I explained you present perfect tense and past perfect tense. Here you see the last part of perfect tense, future perfect tense. At first students, I want to tell you that the rule of future perfect tense is subject plus will oblique shall plus have plus verb third plus object plus other. Subject plus will oblique shall means with second and third person you will use will and with first person you will use shall. Okay, now have, after that you will add have and then verb third is compulsory with each subject anywhere in this tense and then object and finally you will write others. Okay, this is the rule for future perfect tense. ओके, इसकी पहचान की जब बात होगी तो लास्ट में जो है दिया रहेगा सेंटेंस के लास्ट में, जैसे चुका होगा, मैं अपना काम कर चुका होऊंगा. ओके, ट्रेन मुंबई पहुंच चुकी होगी, बच्चे मैच जीत चुके होंगे. तो इस तरह के सेंटेंस आपको वहाँ पे मिलेंगे, जैसे द प्लेयर्स विल हैव ऑन द मैच. Like that you will get sentences in this tense. Now at first you see here after the rule what is future perfect tense. The future perfect tense refers to the future perfect tense refers to the completion of an action by a certain time in the future. By a certain time in the future. This is the definition for future perfect tense. The future perfect tense refers to the completion. Completion means पूर्णता. पूर्णता, completion of an action. किसी भी काम की पूर्णता को, जैसे हम आपको बताएं ना कि खिलाड़ी मैच जीत चुके होंगे, इसमें क्या है, पूरी उस जो सेंटेंस है उसमें जो सब्जेक्ट है, सब्जेक्ट जो है प्लेयर्स, उनकी पूरे उस वर्क की कंप्लीशन को शो किया. मैच की पूर्णता अर्थात मैच जीत चुके होंगे. फुली एक्शन क्या है, एक्शन कंप्लीट है. कंप्लीशन ऑफ एन एक्शन बाय अ सर्टेन टाइम इन द फ्यूचर. फ्यूचर में एक सर्टेन टाइम है, निश्चित टाइम में उस वो एक्शन की जो कंप्लीशन है उसको यहाँ पे शो किया जाता है. ओके, in each of these sentences the verb suggests that action will be completed by a certain time in the future. When the verb show a completed action in the future, we call it the future perfect tense. When the verb shows a completed action, you have to learn this point. When the verb shows a completed action in a certain time, in the future we call it future perfect tense. Okay students, now the future perfect tense is normally used with a time. Normally it is used with a time expression beginning with by that time, by then, by next week, etc. Okay, now you can see here the board will have declared the results by next week. The board will have declared the results by next week. You see here, example, the board subject will have is its helping verb, declared verb third, declared is verb third, and then the result is object, and now by next week is other. By next week is other. Okay, so these are the words that is also expressed in this rule. Subject, then will, then have, then verb third declared, then the result is object, and by next week is other. So these are the examples for this tense, students. Another example you can see. We shall have finished our work by the next week. Let's see. We shall have. Here, we is first person pronoun. With first person pronoun, I have used here shall have. We shall have verb third finished, and an object is our verb, and then by the next one. This is the rule to convert the sentences in future perfect tense. By using this rule very easily, you can change any sentence in future perfect tense. Okay students, now you also see here is an example. Let's see. You blank place. Okay, you blank place. Then by that time, and in the bracket the supporting verb is arrive. To this sentence we have to convert in future perfect tense. You, उसके बाद से पूरा का पूरा ब्लैंक प्लेस, और फिर जो है बाय दैट टाइम फुल स्टॉप एंड इन द ब्रैकेट द सपोर्टिव वर्ब इज अराइव. It's very easy students. According to the rule, at first you will judge that the person is second person. So with second and third person you will use will. Okay, यानी will have एक साथ आप डाल देंगे will. You will have. Okay, and then you will judge the verb. The verb is arrive. You will change it in third person. Arrived. You will have arrived. You will have arrived by that time. Now complete हो गया आपका sentence. You will have arrived by that time. तो जब आपके पास रूल रहेगा तो वेरी इजीली आप इसको कन्वर्ट कर लेंगे. अराइव दिया हुआ था, फ्यूचर परफेक्ट से आपने हेल्प लिया और यहाँ पे विल हैव और अराइव को अराइव में कन्वर्ट करके सेंटेंस को हमने यहाँ पे कंप्लीट कर दिया। ओके, एक और आपको हम एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे देते हैं। I shall return by next week. I shall return by next week. To this sentence you have to convert in future perfect tense. Okay, I shall return by next week. This is the example of simple future. Simple future. And to this sentence you will have convert in future perfect tense. Okay. It's very easy to convert in future perfect tense. Shall. At first, you will change this word shall to shall have. Okay, like that here. I shall have. Okay, ये shall आपका shall have बन गया। रिटर्न यहाँ सिंपल फ्यूचर का फर्स्ट फॉर्म है, जब इसको हम फ्यूचर परफेक्ट मिल जाएंगे इसका थर्ड फॉर्म क्या हो जाएगा रिटर्न का, रिटर्न। अब बाद में बचा उसको हम यहाँ पे डाल दीजिए बाय नेक्स्ट टाइम, रिटर्न बाय नेक्स्ट टाइम। I shall have returned by next time. The students, it's very easy. If you will learn the rule, you can convert any sentence in future perfect tense only to use this rule as I have written it. Subject plus will object shall plus have plus verb third plus object plus other. Okay. Now you see another example from your practice set. From your practice set, you the competition blank place by the end of the month, in the bracket the supporting verb is start. Okay, very easily you can convert it in future perfect tense. Let's see start is here your verb. Okay, it's your verb. At first you will judge your subject. Your subject means according to the subject you will write here will have. Okay, the competition will have और start कर देंगे हम started. Will have started. Will have started. The competition will have started. ये हो गया इसका correct form. This competition will have started by the end of the month. Very easy to change it in future perfect tense. Okay. Students, here another example like that. You see, you will submit your proposal. You will submit your proposal. You have to convert in future perfect tense. You will submit your proposal. You can write it like that. You will have and submit को आप चेंज कर देंगे थर्ड फॉर्म में हो जाएगा सबमिटेड. यू विल हैव सबमिटेड योर प्रपोजल. और अदर में अगर वहाँ पे जो चीज़ भी है बाय द नेक्स्ट वीक, बाय द नेक्स्ट मंथ, या बाय द नून टुमारो, बाय नून टुमारो, बाय इवनिंग टुडे, तो जो भी लास्ट में आपका वहाँ पे रहेगा उसको आप वेरी इजीली वहाँ पे ऐड कर सकते हैं. इट विल डिपेंड अपॉन द सेंटेंस. ओके. या फिर जो बाई द नेक्स्ट मंथ, बाई द नेक्स्ट वीक के विदाउट भी सेंटेंस बन सकता है। इज मस्ट नहीं कि सेंटेंस में रहेगा ही, और अगर है तो कभी कभी इसको आप स्टार्टिंग में भी मेंशन कर सकते हैं। जैसे कि देखिए बाई नेक्स्ट वीक, सबसे पहले आ गया बाई नेक्स्ट वीक कॉमा वी शैल हैव फिनिश्ड आवर असाइनमेंट, वी शैल हैव फिनिश्ड आवर असाइनमेंट, तो बाई नेक्स्ट वीक सबसे पहले आ गया, फिर कॉमा वहाँ पे ऐड कर देंगे और फिर वी शैल हैव फिनिश्ड आवर असाइनमेंट, we shall have finished our assignment. It's very easy to change it in the sentence from future simple future or future continuous to future perfect tense. Okay students, so like that you will use the rule and you will convert it sentences. Okay, now with the help of these rules you will change the exercise number A and B, exercise number A and B. Okay, now students, finally everything is fine. Goodbye everyone, have a nice day.